Welcome to Property Chat, episode number 4. Thank you so much for listening again today. Today we're going to be talking about three ways in particular that you can actually reduce your home loan repayments, just to give yourself a bit of relief or potentially put you in a position where you can maybe even borrow more money and set yourself up for financial freedom. All right, so first and foremost, one of the ways that you can reduce your home loan repayments that many people don't think about is by extending your home loan term. So if you are 10 years into your home loan and you're still quite young, so you can potentially add another 30 years to your actual home loan as well without it jumping into your retirement age. You can actually extend your home loan and in so doing, reduce your home loan repayments. That is, especially if you want to continue paying principal and interest, it definitely will adjust your repayments in a way that will potentially benefit you better and change your financial position so you can free up some more cash that you can put aside to offset your mortgage as well, or put some more cash into your mortgage to pay it off sooner. So that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it could be option number 2. You could go interest only and just potentially to give yourself a bit of relief. You can get up to 5 years with most banks of interest only, and that'll give you some time to potentially just put yourself in a position where you can maybe even use the equity at a later stage to buy another property that gives you a positive return that you can put into your principal payments, and in so doing alleviate the possibility of you having to pay too much into it yourself, or just giving you that ability to say, look, I'll now put this amount aside, offset the interest that I'm paying on the mortgage as it is with the principal amount that I would have paid into it anyway. Again, these are things you probably want to speak to a professional about, a mortgage broker, a banker. You can speak to me by reaching out to me on the form that you'll see in the bio, or form on my website, peterharleyconsulting.com. Last but not least, option number 3 could be by shopping around and getting a better rate. First thing you need to do before you speak to your bank about getting a better rate is do your homework, do your research, speak to a mortgage broker, go to the website, compare websites, have a look to see what potential mortgage rate you could get that seems to be the lowest. Go back to your bank and say, this is the rate that I do want. Remember that they'll probably try and compare it like for like. So they'll say to you, look, if you want to stay with us, that rate there is only for one specific product being X, Y, and Z. So if you want that product, we can give it to you at the same rate. So make sure that if you are comparing a specific rate, that you're looking at the product that you're comparing it to. For example, does it have a package aligned to it where there's a credit card and there's an annual fee, or whereas yours currently doesn't? Things like that you need to think about before going back to your bank and asking them for a better rate. Again, if they're not able to give you the rate that you're after, make sure that you shop around and speak to a mortgage broker, speak to one of my guys, go to the form on peterharleyconsulting.com, and we could possibly help you get into a much better position and secure yourself a better rate so that you can free up some more cash or make sure that you're in a better position financially going forward from there. So yeah, today's a bit shorter. Just quickly, 3 points that could potentially help you to reduce your home loan repayments. I look forward to helping you going forward from here, and thank you for listening.